Share ko lang yung favorite lechon ko, yung The House of Pateros. Every celebration, hindi talaga to pwede mawala. Hindi nagbago ang lasa and it's still so malinamnam. Tunay na lasa ng meat, siguradong fresh at malinis, hindi mataba at sobrang malaman. At napaka-crispy ng balat. May kasama pa yan na dinuguan. Highly recommend ko ito sa inyo. Hiwain na ba yung lechon? Oh. Oo. Dapat nga sinama mo eh.
Ang sharon naman isang buong ulo.
May maliit kang plate. Tapos balat. Kaya kung very crispy na balat. Yan, okay na yan. Kakagating ko na lang yan. Yan, kaisa lang ano. Yan. Tsaka ito. Ito, yan. Ayaw ibigay ni Kuya yung malaking balat. Ah. Crispy. Wow.
At kay Kainis, it's alright. You still have a consolation prize there. You're going to receive a consolation prize. So is there a special prize, ma'am? Alright.